gender stereotyping that we face. So once a woman actually decides that I want to enter into business or any career for that matter, the second expectation is that she falls into the norms of the society, which means as a woman you are expected to enter into certain types of positions or profiles or business which is more suitable for a woman. If you are falling out of that bracket, you automatically have to face more and more difficulties. So that is why we don't find too many women entrepreneurs in the so-called male domains or male industry domains. We tend to have more women in the typical women stereotypical domains like food, fashion and beauty and these areas. I think that also needs to be broken. That stereotypes also needs to be broken, and we need more women in all segments of industry and businesses. So how do we overcome that? Of course, this challenge is I would say it's not something which can be overcome in a very easy manner, but it takes years and decades, I would say centuries of gender stereotyping that needs to be unconditioned, or rather it has to be removed, and we have to come out with a lot of societal transformation in order to overcome these stereotypes. But yes, of course, as a woman, what you can do is to understand that whenever you are being subjected to stereotypes, you can raise your voice, or you can even think for yourself whether you are taking a decision based on stereotype or are you really passionate about it. For example, in our organization, there are many women entrepreneurs who come up and say that I want to start a food business. Okay, very commonly, easy to start business, I would say. But the next question is, what type of food business? Then they come out with, I want to start a cake baking business. Now the third question is, do you really like to bake a cake? That is very important. I mean, are you really passionate about baking cake? Because that matters. Most of the time, women actually enter into cake baking because probably their friend does it and they found it, they are making good money out of it. Or maybe they saw that they saw a lot of YouTube videos and they found that making cakes are interesting, so that's why they enter into it. So don't do that. Enter into a particular business if you are really passionate and if you are well knowledgeable in that area, right? You need not conform to general gender stereotypical expectations out of a women entrepreneur.